So if you think the tree is the centerpiece during Christmas, you're wrong because I can tell you it's the stove.
Amen.
Between the family get-togethers and dinner, your stove is the star. And today we have a few kids in the mix. Owner of Cupcake Teria.
Yes.
Cupcake Teria. Ingrid Forsyth Bowes. She joins us with Aiden. Aiden, raise your hand. Raise your hand. And Jakim. All right. So
Good morning,
Santa's
gentlemen.
to help us this morning. We're gonna switch ties after,
No,
right?
I don't want your tie. Your tie boring. His one has polka dots.
We're good now. Let's go.
Who's the baker? Who's the better baker? Jakeem or Aiden?
No, Jakim say well cook.
Jakeem's a man cook.
Man cook. Man the bake.
I said bake.
All right. Yeah, all right. Okay.
What are we
so what's the
baking this
first
morning?
thing you do, Jakeem, when you're baking? What do? You have to roll out the cookie dough, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Icing it.
And then you put icing on it,
Yes. Then put it in the stove.
and then you bake it.
Yes.
Okay, but right now, while Auntie Ingrid and Mom goes ahead and fixes that one that she's rolling out, we have some that we actually already cut. Like you cut it and you baked it already, right?
Yeah, we're gonna decorate these.
So we're gonna decorate these. You're gonna help me. You like my pretty dress? It's distracting.
It's the glitters.
He likes the glitter on the dress. So you're gonna help me decorate these, right?
What's that?
Yeah?
Of course.
Okay. Which one you want? You want a star?
You want the
a
green?
heart? Which one you want? You want a star? All
I'm gonna give you
right.
the white one. Okay? So you can use it.
Yeah, you can
Yeah,
start.
And you can
man,
start
sure.
decorating the
Go
cookies.
right ahead, decorate it and show me how you do it. So you just squeeze it like that. You have to squeeze it from the bottom, right?
Aiden, you help me with that?
Right.
So you helping me?
We've got like
we go.
icing coming out the sides. We've got icing coming out the bottom.
That's all
I'm
right.
not going to go help Aiden. Come Aiden.
Side icing. I can do that.
You can do it by yourself?
You can do it by yourself. You have to hold the bag.
Hold it.
You have to squeeze.
But you look like you eat out all of the icing, Jackie. Let me
Squeeze.
see you make the decoration.
Squeeze.
Because I'm hungry.
You, because you're hungry?
Yeah,
They never
I
fed you
gotta-
breakfast before you come?
Sounds like me.
Yes, it's a baby X-Star. How does that look?
Ooh.
That's how it's supposed to look, Jackie?
You
No,
know where
look
to
at
fill in the
It must look like that?
that.
But the icing coming out the side, so how can I make it
What
look
are we
like
missing?
that? I don't know how to make it look like that. You're the professional,
Squeeze.
you have to show me.
Squeeze.
You do it.
Squeeze. Wait, Aiden, squeeze.
Squeeze. We have all these sprinkles.
Squeeze.
Make it fun.
Okay,
And
we want
Christmassy.
another bag. Our bag burst.
Squeeze.
And we're not getting out any of the stuff.
Sure.
Okay, it's coming out the side. So.
They're coming out the sides. It's all right.
Aiden, what's your favorite part of Christmas?
Everything. My favorite part of Christmas
We're
is
not.
a lot.
It's a lot. Okay, we'll have a red bag. Okay. Just eat it. Just eat
And
it.
what do we
Sir
next?
Jackie.
What do we do next?
That makes sense. I agree. Eat it.
We can just add sprinkles to make it fun for the kids.
You can add sprinkles, you can add sprinkles.
Add sprinkles. We have all sorts: gold, silver.
So is this, would you say, a fun activity?
It's a fun
to do with
activity for the kids.
Christmas?
It's a very fun activity for the kids, and they get involved in the festive season.
He's just eating the entire bag of icing.
put-
I'm sorry for your mother when you
these.
finish because
These.
you are going to be like on such a high.
You put them at the side. Put one here. One
Okay.
Here,
And
one
when it's done, we can just
I
hang them
think
to
you
the tree.
win this time extra because our bag now work.
here. Don't do this. Put it out. Take them out.
I don't want it.
You don't
You
want
put
any more?
one each
All right,
side.
well, we can't use that and squeeze it on the
One
cookie
each
now
side.
since you suck off the bag.
Nah.
Try again.
Try again.
But we can
There you
try using this one, right?
Top.
All right.
Mm-hmm.
So Ingrid, what about Cupcake Teria what is it that you do special at Cupcake Teria for the Christmas holidays?
We have sugar cookies, the usual fruit cakes, very nice fruit cakes, cupcakes for the festive season.
And do you find that
And-
people buy more cakes at Christmas than
Oh,
at
yes.
other times of the year?
Yes.
So if
Christmas-
and not just fruit cake?
Not just fruit cake. We have rum infused cakes, red velvet.
Put it there.
And we do have mixed with raisins and prunes.
Ah.
It's a plain base.
Again.
Prunes.
Yes.
Put this here.
Prunes.
There. Oop,
And currants.
People used to think that this baking thing and decorating thing easy, you know, but it's not easy.
It's not that easy, right?
Watch ya.
Too much
All right,
force.
me done.
Sprinkles.
Sprinkles will save the day. Let's use some silver sprinkles too. Can we get
Oh,
some?
this is nice.
Ah, yeah. Good job.
Good job, Aiden.
All right, Jackie.
So where can
Put on your
folks
sprinkles.
find you?
You can find me on Facebook, Twitter,
Oh my God.
Instagram
Sprinkle
at
is
Cupcake Teria. The email address is cupcateria@ymail.com.
All right.
Silver glitter?
There you go,
put it
Jakeem.
in.
You got it. All right, guys. If you want, can we see your finished cookie?
So a finished cookie could look like this, with kids
Or
helping out.
It
or
could look like this. Ta-da! Show them your own.
This is ours.
It's awesome. I love it. I
someone
think
catch
it's
it?
very pretty.
Mine, look at mine.
Yes, yours is amazing, Jakeem.
Put some more on it.
And put some silver on it.
Thank you guys for stopping by. Thank you so much for helping out. You know what? I think since you've helped us so well today, I think you guys deserve a gift. So I'm going to go under the fairy Christmas tree and see if we can find gifts for you. Dum 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 dum.
All right.
Oh, that's pretty.
All right, who's ready for the Christmas present?
Me.
Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. All right. Okay, the first person to come and give me a hug gets both presents. I'm joking, but I still want the hug. Here you go. Merry Christmas.
Yes.
Merry Christmas, guys. Have a wonderful holiday. Don't open it. Don't open it yet. If you open it before Christmas, you won't get any more presents.
Jackie, remember the tie?
Nobody's giving her that time.
He's like, no.
Owner of Cupcateria, Ingrid Forsyth Pose. Thank you, Aiden. Thank you,
Look at
Jakeem.
ours.
We've got some tap dancers taking the stage after this. That's very pretty.
Yeah.
We'll be back right after the break. That's nice.